Good morning, everyone. It's looking like another glorious day out here. Oh my goodness, could we really have that many sweet gumballs still in that tree? Oh my. I really do like mornings this time of year. It's pleasant out here today. Not humid, not hot. The bugs aren't biting me. The kitties are following me around while I water things and pull weeds and do what I do in the morning. Yeah. Marty's been very playful. And here's Stripey. Yeah, you're playful too. Just don't get yourself in trouble. Hi. 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 Come here. Come here. He goes, but I don't want to go back to my spot. I want to roam, Mom. Come here. You're not in trouble. Come here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Just because I try to keep you out of trouble doesn't mean you're in trouble. Wow, and look at all the additional flowers that have opened up here. Very enjoyable. Good morning, Panther. Hey there, buddy. Sorry. Not the bowl being in the way. Yeah, hi, bud. Good morning. Good morning. I noticed from the bathroom window little pink flowers on the ground. It's already past its peak. Sure has been a pretty viewing this spring, though. Hey, Mart, what you up to? Besides grooming. He's just washing. In a not very gentlemanly like position. Good morning, Gray. Good morning. Hi. Yep, I got food. Hey, looky who's out.
Exercise.
looky who's out here this morning.
Yeah, well, this might be the last. Tomorrow is definitely no go. Monday is probably a no go, but Tuesday,
Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah,
Depends.
Saturday is definitely a go, and Sunday, because we're gonna get together Sunday morning to make sure everything overnight Saturday night ran. So it may be short. Also, it may not be first thing in the morning. So we'll play it by ear. But we're going live Saturday at 3 p.m.
All right, let's go shopping. I did tell Michelle I popped in there yesterday. Even showed her what I got. Michelle says she's also on her way, and I'm letting Ruby do the driving here. Nice red S chrome detailing. So a little older. Look brand new. Ruby's doing 26. I don't know what this love affair she has with every time I engage FSD. Her choosing a speed that ends in a 6. It's really weird. Wow, for half a second there she put 41 and then she put 26 again. I don't know. She does not have on auto. Now you can go faster, Ruby. We're away from the people and the car parking and all of the fussy stuff. So she bumped it up from 26 to 36. Like I said, I don't know what this love affair is with the 6. It's probably, I think my offset is still set to 3. So I don't know where she's coming up with the 1. It's probably that low speed, figure out the true it's an offset percent instead of an offset actual miles per hour. I don't know. It doesn't matter. I just think it's weird. I don't really care. I've currently got 200 and I'm just gonna take her out because there's a guy right behind me and she's not gonna get in the right lane and I'm not getting trapped in the left lane. Because I already know on this version that she won't go right as quickly as I'd like her to. But she handled all of the, you know, downtown stuff well today. Wow, he was in a hurry wherever he's going, but thanks for getting out of my way. It makes turning in easier. At first I thought it was a C3PO because the one side is gold, but I see it's Ghost, your daughter, your whole family's like favorite music group. And then turn around now and you have Huggy Wuggy. You have the cutest, coolest, scariest things.
I love Huggy Wuggy. I love puppy playtime. Can't play the video game though. Don't know how, but I love watching it.
Recognize this water bottle? My lid is broke. This one's 3. It's got 3 on it somewhere. I was like, dang, I swear I didn't forget and leave my water bottle in the store. And I found another one of my houses by the fireplace, and Michelle's got more butterflies. That is a really neat idea, but I wonder why it ended up here. It can't be for a good reason. I love Wedgwood. Oh, the little angel box is small. Maybe I can find a spot for that. See over there in the corner. Michelle, I think you need that. I think you have to have it. You have to have it. It's one of those Janko things, I think.
Oh,
no, the funny thing is I used to collect the Wilton cake pans and had like, I don't know, 40 of them at one time, but let me assure you, I cannot make it look anything like what it looks like there, and so just no. I remember when all the Southern homes had to have the Hardee's morning coffee mug. That's pretty cool. The owls are really tempting. It's from Pier 1, but the porcelain is kind of crackled, so that would be a no. He's so comfy. Last time these were in here, I passed up on them, and then the lady explained that it does a bunch of different stuff. They're $2 each. I am not leaving them. We're making out big on birthday gift party bags today. They had the cutest ones with puppies and doggies on it.
Do you want one?
Aww. So I looked at these and I said, wow, those are pretty nice dress shoes. And then I realized they're sneaker dress shoes. It's a mermaid prom dress. Wow, that is pretty cool. So Michelle's talking to Connor about these. They're actually a really good deal for that one time you need them. Michelle and I are overdue for a trip in Ruby somewhere. I'm a mermaid at heart, it says. And look, right behind it. Beauty and the Beast with the rose. That's really pretty too. I don't know how to act my age. I've never been this old before. It's really cute. You act your age now, Michelle.
What is that?
I feel like this is one of those house divided moments. It's made by the same company, same exact shirt, but one's Carolina and one's State.
Look, Marianne, a shirt I can wear every year on my birthday.
Yep, cheers and beers to your 21 years. Me too. While we walked around, they put out the cat tree, and then there's this really huge Thomas the Tank Engine with trains. That's a good deal. Thomas stuff is expensive. There are lunch boxes and purses and clothes, oh my, and bags and more plant pots and even a rug and a pillow. And for Gray, she's got her friends. We had a good time. The music was very country and very loud today. It was hard to record in there, but we had an awesome time and have very full carts, and yeah. Go get those kids. Gentleman just pulled up in the Rivian enjoying his tunes. I didn't walk past him, or I was going to joke that it must be premium sound along with instant torque. He went into the electronics store. Brand new paper tag, baby. Oh wow, the rhododendron has bloomed for the first time, and I see at least 3 others that are gonna bloom. That is so awesome. Well, my plant pot got here a day early. Poor Don, he's in there on the conference call again. Yep, there it is. Just like the other ones I got. Did I say it was hot today? It's 86 out here. Don's gonna wash Ruby and he told me to leave her out when I got home, but he likes the metal to be cool and his washing spot's in the full sun, so I pulled Ruby in and we'll just pull her back out. I parked Ruby. You pull her out when you're ready to do her. It's too hot to leave her bake in the sun. I knew that wasn't really what you intended. No. And I need to drive tomorrow, so I need to plug her in. That's right. All right.
Well, you'll be supercharging anyway.
Yeah, he's not got
I
time.
ain't got time. I'm sorry, sweetie.
Bye. It's nice knowing you.
Yeah, you're right.
So here's all my bags. Some are 25, some were 50. I don't think I got any that were $1. My 4-port USB hub, so I can plug in more, you know, cool lighting. Like I said, for gray, these are going to go outside in a plant pot. This was 2. These were $1 a piece. 50 cents. That could be a plant pot if I need it. I couldn't leave this little cute I decorate with cat hair. Napkins. I think they're 50 cents a piece. Maybe $1. There's 4 of them. This rug is really nice. $4. And several tops, a pair of leggings, and a blanket. So, a metal, really good old school power strip, and a brand new 6-foot UL listed extension cord for $1, and a pond pump, 160 gallon pond pump. They're in the attic stairwell to the garage. I didn't bring them inside. And they gave me the cool bag that matches the kitty cat one that Michelle gave me. Woo! Don's afternoon snack, lunch, whatever you want to call it, and enough leftovers that he'll have something tomorrow while I'm gone up at the solar farm. Well, I do hope we get some rain tomorrow or Saturday, a little bit, a shower or something. I had to come out and water. This is the second time now. And yeah, we need some rain. Poor guy worked all day. And then he's out here making it so that his girl's got a clean car for the solar farm tomorrow.
Right.
Thank you. Yeah, we found this grill cover and it could use a wash off too, I guess, huh?
Yeah, I've got the pressure washer out, so I might as well blast it.
Hey there, I heard you. I just finished doing the video.
Yeah.
I was, I had trouble finishing it. I fell asleep several times.
Oh, that sounds like I like that idea.
Yeah, I couldn't help it. It wasn't a plan. I kept on trying to force myself back awake.
I understand.
We may have been up a little early the past couple mornings, and tomorrow morning it'll be my fault.
That's right.
Well, let's put minifigure man's head together. There he is with his hat installed. It does close, obviously. Yeah, he has 3 different control little you know, stations, and the gears do move, and it's just so cute. I love it. All right, she's ready to go. I helped Don just a little bit with the door jams. And he did 95%.
You did great, sweetie.
I vacuumed.
Got the little spray and shine or spray and rinse, spray and something.
Yeah.
Whatever it's called. She's got it on.
Yeah, she looks excellent.
And I'll spray the wheels tomorrow for you.
Right before I pull out. Okay.
I'm not going to try to do the black trim. That's
Well, yeah, you can't do it when it's wet. Yeah.
do it when it's wet, and tomorrow morning is just not enough time to dry. It's one of those things. Seems to work better when you do it and let it set for a couple hours.
Oh, so not tomorrow morning either.
No, the tires is one thing, but I'm talking about the black.
Yeah,
trim.
yeah.
Yeah. I don't even think tomorrow. Well, I'll play it by ear.
Okay.
Not
The
so-
perennial border did pick back up just fine after the sun went down and with the water that I gave it, so that's good.